Punter Rides a Pro series, we have Jon Gatts 300 KTM 2-stroke hard enduro bike, and boy is this setup pretty cool. I can't wait to try it. You can see what we're going to take off in front of us. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so I mean, first things as I was jumping on it, I couldn't believe how high up his gear shifter and his brake actually are. He runs a really high brake and gear. This is okay, as you can see, I've got some nasty tree roots down in front of me. I'm going to see how it goes getting up this. Okay, it's getting some traction there. Okay, got traction there. Impressive, that's the loose tyres pivot around there. Oh, nice. Now this has a TSP head on it. Oh gosh, that just crawled. Okay. Oh, so much. It's not stalling. I can let that clutch out so far. Hardly stalls. So much traction. And so much torque. That TSP head is impressive. Oh. Okay. You can see when I'm about to go up. Clutch smooth. TSP. So much traction. Loose tyres. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. So much torque. Right off the bottom of that clutch lever. Okay. Here we go up this. Here we go. Look and listen to that lug. Oh my gosh, I'm not even trying. Turn that corner. Okay, this is cheating. This is literally cheating. I've never done this so easy in my life. I'll just turn this way. Oh, this is not really that fair. If I had one of these, oh my gosh, listen to that torque. I am walking. This tyre, listen. All right. I was revving it too hard. This bike produces a disgusting amount of torque just off idle, and I was riding like a stock bike with too much revs, and it's still got up everything. So I'm going to turn and show you what I mean by, easy. Look at that, no stall. Let's head up this nasty hill. Let's have a listen. It's mossy and slippery. Okay, let's see how low. Are you kidding me? This is steep. I'm walking up this. Listen. Oh, you wondered how these guys do this? Suspension work, TSP head, gummy, moosey, gummy blues. Moose, I'm out in the clear now. Oh, I nearly missed the gear shifter, it's so high up. That is in cheat mode. That suspension is so soft. That TSP head produces so much more torque than the standard KTM 300. It's just not, it's not even close. Like, it's literally not close. Gosh, that produces some torque. And the suspension, I can't believe how soft it is. Like, I feel it like it feels softer than stock suspension. Okay, seat really soft. I don't know, I can't get that gear shift up. There we go. I can't tell if he's got a softer seat or if 750 hours on a stock KTM seat does that. It's got a Ballard seat cover, so it's nice and soft. But yeah, that is a soft seat. Alright, that little hill climb, probably for me the highlight is just that motor. I can't believe how much torque it produces. Combine that with the gummy and the moose, and that is not fair. I've had it beat a 300 2-stroke, Sherco 300 2-stroke, and I've run the gummy and the moose on them, and not even close to that kind of traction compared to his setup, mainly because that motor lets me idle so low. Anyway, that's Punter Rides a Pro's bike. That's Jon Gatts KTM 300. Came second last year at one of the hard enduro rounds. The guy's a top 3, top 5 hard enduro rider in Australia. And I'll tell you what, this bike setup is nothing like Stephen Granquist's Triumph TF2DE race bike that I tested a couple of weeks ago now. This thing is unbelievable.